Among Kids 1 to 3 School, a complete e-school project. Our focus on listen, speak, read and write. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start. This is a cherry. Cherry start from C. This is an apple. Apple is start from A. This is a peach. Peach is start from P. This is a lychee. Lychee is start from L. This is a blueberry. Blueberry is start from B. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is start from K. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is start from S. This is a bundle of grapes. Grape is start from. This is a mango. Mango is start from M. This is a banana. Banana is start from B. This is a palm. Palm is start from P. This is a melon. Melon is start from M. This is a blackberry. Blackberry is start from B. This is a pear. Pear is start from P. This is a coconut. Coconut is start from C. This is a fig. Fig is start from F. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is start from P. This is a apricot. Apricot is start from A. Lesson review. Cherry, apple, peach, lychee, blueberry, kiwi, strawberry, grapes, mango, banana, palm, melon, blackberry, pear, coconut, fig. Now we discuss some important vegetables name. What is this? This is the onion. What is this? This is the beans. What is this? This is a celery. What is this? This is a sweet potato. What is this? This is a spinach. What is this? This is a pumpkin. What is this? This is a pointed gourd. What is this? This is a peas. What is this? This is the round gourd. What is this? This is a potato. What is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a chilies. What is this? This is mushrooms. What is this? This is the ladyfingers. Ladyfingers is an important vegetable. What is this? This is a carrot. What is this? This is a beetroot. What is this? This is a broccoli. What is this? This is the eggplant. What is this? What is this? This is a radish. What is this? This is a garlic. What is this? This is a watermelon.